All right, Chico State Parking Solution. And then my name is Jonathan Hernandez. The parking problem at Chico State does not have enough parking spaces to meet student demand. Even when parking permits, students struggle to find parking, especially during peak hours. This makes the permit system feel more unreliable and causes frustration for students. Limited parking also increases traffic and congestion in nearby neighborhoods. This proposal recommends building a multi-level parking structure near campus. This solution will increase the number of available parking spaces, reduce congestion, and give students reliable places to park. A parking structure will improve the daily campus experience and provide long-term benefits for students and the surrounding communities. This long-term benefit and solution will add significant parking capacity and make parking more predictable for students. A parking structure will reduce congestion, shorten walking distance, and improve the overall campus experience. Investing in this infrastructure would benefit Chico State for many years and support students who rely on in-person attendance.
My name is Keven Sandoval, and I'll be going over project objectives for my first slide. Now I'll be going over the main objectives of this project. To start, we plan to expand on-campus parking capacity so students who attend in-person classes can easily access campus. Furthermore, by increasing parking availability, we can reduce congestion and the time students spend searching for parking, especially during peak hours. Additionally, this project aims to improve traffic and overall accessibility by utilizing existing campus land more efficiently through a multi-level parking structure. Overall, the goal is to provide a long-term reliable parking solution that improves daily campus experience for students who drive or commute from long distance. Now I'll be going over the methods and activities. In order to efficiently carry out this project, we will start with site selection and feasibility by evaluating existing parking lots near campus and evaluating their accessibility and walking distance for students. Next, we will focus on planning and budget development by creating initial cost estimates or receiving proposed estimates how much the project will cost, but also the total amount we can afford. During construction implementation, the project will involve site preparation, foundation, and structural work, followed by installing lighting, safety features, and utility systems. Lastly, the structure would then be integrated into the campus parking system, such as maps, websites, aka the overall program that provides this information to students. Additionally, student feedback would be collected in order to evaluate the overall effectiveness of the project, helping us see the real impact of our push for improvement. Now I'll be talking about the resources needed to complete this project. In order to successfully complete this project, several key factors need to be completed and thought out. First off, approval and support from Chico State Administration would be crucial in order to move forward with the large-scale infrastructure project. Additionally, facilities and planning staff will need to guide site selection, aka integrate the structure into the best existing campus layout. Besides approval and a proper planning staff, we have to hire professionals such as architects, engineers, and project managers in order to properly and efficiently design and oversee this project and oversee construction, operations, and the layout. Moreover, physical resources that will be needed is another key factor. This includes existing parking lots and construction access, construction equipment as well. And last but not least, the materials that are needed to complete this project. Lastly, when construction occurs, we will need to find temporary parking solutions and collaborate with local businesses in order to help and reduce disruption for students. Ultimately, financial resources will be required to fund construction, safety systems, and contingency reserves to ensure the project stays on track and meets our expectations for our students.
Hi, my name is Christian Martinez. I'm covering the construction costs associated with this project. This slide breaks down the major construction costs, starting with groundwork and structural elements. The largest portion of the budget goes towards foundation and structural concrete, which is essentially essential for supporting a multi-level parking structure and meeting California site assessment safety requirements. Site preparation and demolition are also significant costs because existing pavement, utilities, and drainage systems need to be removed or relocated before construction can begin. On top of that, infrastructure and safety systems like lighting, fire suppression, and security are critical. These aren't optional features. These are necessary to ensure the structure is safe, well lit, and accessible for students using it at all hours. Slide 9 will cover construction costs, specific categories being professional service and administration, technology and modern features, and a contingency plan in case we need extra funds for it as well. The technology, professional services, and contingency costs. Technology features like real-time parking sensors and EV charging stations are included to modernize the structure and improve facility efficiency, helping students quickly find available parking while supporting sustainability efforts. Professional services such as architecture, design, engineering, and project management make up another portion of the budget. While these costs can seem high, they help ensure the project is designed correctly, meets regulatory requirements, and stay on schedule. Finally, the contingency reserve is required by the the CSU system and helps account for unexpected costs such as material price increase or construction delays, which are common in large construction or large infrastructure projects. Overall, the total estimate budget ranges between 27 to $36 million. While this is a large investment, is consistent with parking structures built at the CSU and UC campuses. Most importantly, it is a long-term investment and improvement. The reason why this matters is essentially because the Chico State students need a way to be able to park and find a way to get to campus sooner and with less stress. Mostly because of the summer months where they struggle to find parking near the campus and struggle to find a reasonable way to find a parking spot. This does provide less stress, better conditions, and more secure parking for their students. This is going to be our presentation. I appreciate everyone that listened to this, and thank you.